You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 10.
That's why your bank doesn't have as many tellers anymore. And sometimes they don't even have lobbies anymore.
Technology is now moving court hearings away from the courthouse. The Illinois Supreme Court signaled virtual hearings are here to stay. Good evening, I'm McLeod Hageman. Many people who work in the court system say it's long overdue. Investigative reporter Renee Cooper joins us live in the newsroom tonight. So Renee, remote appearances may have expanded because of the pandemic, but they're no longer considered temporary.
Well, the news from the High Court is not all that surprising on the surface, but now that it's clear the state's plans to expand those virtual proceedings, I took a look back at the transition so far through the eyes of those who spend every workday in the courtroom. And while they see some obvious advantages, I'm told going all the way down this path would be detrimental to justice.
Trying to think when we started doing remote court.
Coles County State's Attorney Jesse Danley remembers back to his days as an assistant. About 5 years ago, where limited remote options came on scene at the courthouse. But it wasn't until spring of 2020 that it became a regular practice.
There's definitely a push to make, to change the antiquated, maybe, way we do court. And I think everyone's trying to adapt the best we can.
Well, it's probably about 40 years later than it needed to be.
That's coming from a criminal defense attorney of about 40 years.
Some counties are large and remote and rural, and the notion that that it makes the most sense to drive there and stand in a courtroom for 5 minutes and say, Your Honor, I move to continue this case, and then you drive an hour and a half back to your office.
Do you understand those maximums, sir?
The access to justice part of this is folks without a great amount of income have to take a whole day off work sometimes to go to a relatively trivial court appearance.
The Champaign County Courthouse may be a few miles away from the jails, but nearly 70 defendants are housed all the way up in Kankakee County because of overcrowding.
Those prisoners have to get in a van and be shuttled to the courthouse with security, and it takes hours to do that for each case.
That and public defender visits to the Kankakee Detention Center are on the taxpayer's dime. Back in Coles County, Danley says it's unclear yet if it's having any effect on the number of people who make it to their hearings.
You know, a number of our defendants in criminal court, I know that a lot of them don't have access to a phone. So they certainly don't have access to a computer.
He says there's a certain formality to holding court in the courtroom.
The gravity of the situation that, the judge is on the bench.
The latest Supreme Court order still draws a hard line, dividing which cases can be heard remotely. Jury trials are not an option. Now, a Champaign County judge referred to this remote expansion as a honeymoon phase at this point. He tells me remote hearings involving witness testimony present a credibility issue. Plus, you miss a lot of a person's demeanor, even like in the Zoom interviews I conducted today. Now, the judge expects remote access to be around for non-evidentiary hearings forever, but he's flat out against ever doing jury trials from a screen, something that has begun in other states. Live in the newsroom, I'm Renee Cooper, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Renee, thank you so much. And the Illinois Supreme Court also formed a remote proceedings task force that was announced today. They'll be reviewing how these virtual hearings are being handled from county to county. We're following some